Hello, welcome to a Discord mobile tutorial on how to move channels or categories. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is go to the server that it is that you have admin access on to be able to move things. And then from here, just click on the name of it, or well, tap on it with your finger. And then from here, all you need to do is head over into your settings. Now there is some things to note. Certain phones that like have certain versions of Discord and things like that aren't able to go ahead and move channels and things of the sort. So as you'll see, like on my thing right here, there is no channels log. But if it was available, and some phones you can do this, like on my iPhone, I can do this. You can click on this thing called the channels right here, and it'll show you all your different channels. And on the top right, it'll just say reorder, and then you can just press reorder and then move them to where you want them to be. And that's just a drag and drop to go ahead and move. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a Discord mobile tutorial. Thank you.